channel of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar app and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Following that, click on the month above and set up a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on Event. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add the title over here. Then you can pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to, you can always disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Now select Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. Then click on Add Location, just while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. Now you need to scroll down, add people, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event, taking notes, and when you're ready, saving your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and tap on Save again. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then select Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!